Okay, so I've figured out the reason. Actually, I've copied the wrong CSS and the HTML combination, so that's why it went wrong. And one more important thing that needed to be changed is like mostly there is a jQuery which we will not going to use in our project, since we will going to use complete Angular. So due to that, the problem is we have to write the equivalent jQuery logic, or in very simple words, whatever the classes that are added by the jQuery once this is open, you can even use that. So I've done the same. I've opened the chat view, and I just simply copied the element, and then I pasted here instead of the plain HTML, right? So but in this case we will not have any what do you say, we will not have the toggle right now. So what we will do is we will have a chat view is equals to, let's say, false, and this will become true when someone clicks on the friend name. So let's go to the friend list, and let's have only two friends here. Ideally this list will not be available at all, since this is the client facing application. So chat view is equal to true, right? So, and for this to work we have to include the library commons module here. That way it will allow you to use ngif and the other directives of Angular. So let's save this and see. Let's see. So if you, okay, and now once you click close on this one, okay, so one thing that is remaining is we are not having ngif here, star ngif, which is a kind of a if clause in your regular JavaScript and a TypeScript. So what we are saying is, if there is no chat view selected, then show the friends list, otherwise show the chat view. So if you click on this one, then it goes inside the application and you can see it. So on close, we have to get back to the regular chat view. So to do that, what I will do is I will just simply handle the click on that button as well, so that you will get back to the friends list again. So I will say simply chat view equals to false. So if you click here, it will enter. If you click there, it will go outside that, right? So we will not worry right now about any selection. If you click on this one, it will say Miro Badev and even like Martin, so it will still say that data, right? So this data should ideally come from our server side or MQTT in case of live communication. So instead of this one, we can simply have the form here, and I guess we don't need these headers as well, so we can work out on that part. So this is available in our chat view, so the top menu is not required. So I'll just simply comment this one and let's see. So this is how it looks, and instead of that I will say simple form. I hope I have imported the bootstrap, but let me form group input. Let's see how it shows up there. So it is very plain, so we can use a bootstrap later to enter the name of the customer, and so bootstrap CSS, right? So if you go to this one, getting started, it will show you what to import. You just simply copy that and just go to index.html and paste these contents here, right? So you will get the style sheet for this one, and once it is loaded, so we can see the components, and here we can see as inputs, yeah, input groups. Okay, it's not a form group, it's a input group, my apology. So if you go here and change this to from form group to input group, so it should show something similar to this one. Okay, as expected. So instead of this, we can even simply use the inputs. Basic example, yes, this is even fine. We will just simply need a name. Let's see what it says. So this is a non-breaking space. Let's add this to this side as well. Okay, and same can be added for email, phone, email, phone, right? Name and email is usually required when we initiate the chat. Maybe the phone number is not that important, so it's up to you that how you want to initiate it. There is a requirement of a space, but I think we can even add it simply. Margin, okay, we may format this later. I will even comment this equals to false. Let's quickly initiate the rest of the things that are required right now and which are urgent. So in this list, as you can see the email, so we can even use the break line, or on the next line we can see their email, and same for this guy. Yeah, it looks better. And then now search contacts is even not required, so I will simply comment this one. Okay, and as there is no border, it looks very weird, that we don't know where it starts and where it ends. So the friends list should have a border of 1px, solid gray. You can take the color of this hairline. Border radius, I don't know what they have. Okay, it is matched now. Inherit, border radius, inherit. For 5px or 6px, but I don't know why this got disturbed again. maybe due to this search. So the friends list should have the border radius and the border. So I will push add this change. Our BR might have broken this one. Okay, so this border actually broke that thing. Okay, so I think the problem is here. So we will have the border at this place, and here we go. It looks better than before, and of course we can comment the search box as it is not required. So okay, so it looks much better than what we had before. And just one thing that I think missing is similar some header start chatting, right? So it looks weird right now. So what we can do is we can have some div which we can make we can apply the styles to class header, and we just have to format this header class. Background should be blue, margin 1 rem, padding 1 rem, color should be white, and this blue looks very weird, so I'll take some other color. So maybe the black should look better in this case, and yeah, I think it looks good. We can change it later if or you can change later if you want to. So I have added the class here, and yeah, this is how it looks. So I guess the looks wise it is perfectly fine. So in the next video we will connect to our MQTT and see how we can connect and send the messages from the UI.